Oh, almost got run over. This is Nopodong. No, Nopodong, Busan. There's some kind of monk in the streets. Let's see what he's doing over here. But anyways, this is supposed to be the best place to go shopping here. There's a bunch of different stores. Oh, that's nice. For some reason, Koreans wear this thing over their face all the time, like they're getting germs or something. I don't know what that's all about.